link up with them?
Audio confirmation on at least 2 in there, but I don't know how far they've moved down. I keep hearing them moving slowly. It's way too big to
So
be anything.
are they moving this way or back?
I think they got a small recon team that's trying to bring them down around the back. But they're being really careful.
Yeah.
I haven't seen them, so if you guys are going to go in, then go in like down that end and come up through, like try and skirt the edge.
Yeah. So definitely in the woods up here.
Yeah, they're all up in the woods, but I think they got a small recon team moving down here. I heard at least two in there moving around. They haven't popped their heads out yet.
I'll just see if I can get a better angle to look.
They got to be at least, they're in that little pine tree grove.
Okay. What's that?
Oh, they're going to take attention.
Alright. Sounds good to me. Want me to go first?
Yeah, I can cover you with the scope.
Deal.
Hey!
He's down. Chipman, that bunker's down. It's all right.
Contact on the left.
Surrender. Surrender.
Oh, you got me. I'm down. I'm down. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hey, 2 down. Good job, buddy.
Two up there, 2 down.
Push up. So I think their flag's about 50 meters into this woods and by a shack.
That worked like a charm, buddy.
That was awesome. They're going to be spawning soon. Where's the flag? It's at the shack? Yeah. All right. Watch out. Can't see him. Hit. Nice shot.